Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myambit consultant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Myambit is a consultant-focused mobile app created for Ambit energy representatives to manage and grow their business more efficiently. Designed as a central business hub, the app allows consultants to track customer activity, monitor downline performance, and manage leads from a single interface. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates directly with Ambit's back-end systems. The app's main feature is its real-time business dashboard. You can view customer enrollments, team performance, commission updates, and alerts as they happen. Myambit also provides access to training resources, marketing materials, and support tools, helping consultants stay informed and productive. Notifications ensure you never miss important updates related to customers or downline activity. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many Ambit consultants appreciate its organized interface, quick access to essential business data, and ability to manage their team on the go. The app helps reduce manual tracking and gives users a clear view of their business health at any time. Training modules and resource links offer added convenience for both new and experienced consultants. However, there are some drawbacks. The app occasionally experiences sync delays, and some users report slow load times during peak hours. Its functionality also depends heavily on a stable internet connection. New consultants may face a learning curve when navigating multiple sections of the app. Additionally, certain features may feel limited compared to using the full web portal. In summary, the Myambit app may be worth using if you want a streamlined platform to track customer activity, monitor team performance, and manage your consulting business efficiently on mobile. However, if you prefer a more detailed interface or rely heavily on advanced reporting tools, you might still find the desktop portal essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.